So, it's Gage here. We're at DIY Garage today. Got my 2014 Silverado 1500 on the lift, crew cab, 5.3 liter with my girlfriend. So, we're gonna be installing these puppies. Yeah, they're pretty deep. So, here's all this parts laid out. 3 in the front, 2 in the rear. I got some rear shock extenders so the shocks stay factory as possible. All the tools we're gonna need, plus, while I'm thinking about it, down here somewhere. An air impact. So we'll do little updates here and there. We're gonna get the wheels off of it right now. Yeah. So this is like one of the main reasons I wanted to come here, guys. I have a garage at the house, but I don't have a lift and I don't have air tools. Look how easy this is. There you go. On these, you remove the damn tie rod right here. You remove the two,
So
13s,
these two bolts
like
are
that,
pointing
hold
at
in,
actually
control
15
over,
millimeters, not
and
13s.
remove your upper control arm. And just hang your caliper over here to the side. We're about to get this pulled out real quick.
What I forgot to mention is also do your sway bar end link and make life a lot easier. This would have came out a lot easier. I figured that out after the fact on the other side, and it also helps with installing it as well.
Just takes a little finagling, but you'll get there. See, then you gotta come from this way. All right, guys, so we got the front on, as you can see. I forgot to mention, you do need to remove your sway bar end link. If you don't do that, you're not putting it on. You can see the puck up in there. Everything else looks good. CV angles, still good. That's my AC dripping. I got the truck running. The CV angles look good. None of the boots are stretched. These are 20 by 14s with 305s. I got a pretty big hand and it don't take up all the lift. Hey Chelsea, turn the wheel for them. So, go. Keep going. That's full lock right there, barely rubs. All right, turn it the other way. Keep going. Keep going. The hair's catching. So, like I said, that's the front on. We still got to do the rear. It's got that little Carolina lean going on. Rear's pretty simple. Shouldn't take too long. Got the pucks. Make sure you put you can sort of see they're tilted. Put the tilt going toward the front of the truck to keep your drive shaft angles and all that stuff aligned. So we moved on to the back. Almost didn't record it because I just get ahead of myself. So using the transmission jack to hold up the rear end. What you're going to want to do is undo this 13, and there's 2 more 13s up there. Now hold down these lines right here. Give you a little more slack when you go to drop it. You're going to need a 21 mil socket on the impact and a 21 mil wrench, or a 13/16 will work. Same for over there. Already took this side off, the U joint and bolts. They're also 21 mil. Got this side to do. Then gonna put the new hardware on. And new U-bolts, new hardware. That's over there. All I can say is be careful. I had to do one side at a time because, you know, it was wanting to tilt down super hard because there's nothing on. And remember to do this real quick. Then you have those two 13s up there as well. Then you put on your wheels or go back with your stocks. I went with some pretty wide ones. Always clean up after yourselves. But that's how she's sitting right now. I think she's looking pretty nice.
So everything's done at this point, but I didn't realize my lens was
too
dirty
bad.
until
Took
after I
about-
recorded. So my
I
apologies
started
if it
at
looks a little foggy.
6:30. It's 9:30 now. So, like I said, guys, this is DIY garage here. We got 2 lift bays, 2 regular bays. All tools are provided. We got air tools for days. Grinders, jacks. So, if you guys need to do anything, get work done, don't feel like working in gravel. Like me, I hate working in gravel. So, I work here though, so I get the privilege to use this sometimes when there's not customers, but you know, you guys come first. You need your work done, hit us up, give us a call. Look, full lock. Barely rubs. Turn this way again. Other way. Woo,
Remember,
clear.
guys, and our website where you can go to and book appointments and whatnot. You can also go to our Facebook page, DIY Garage Knox. We're located on Chapman Highway in Knoxville, Tennessee, dead center between Johnsonville and downtown Knoxville.